Hi guys, okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to be teaching you how you can make a really quick and free 510 drip tip adapter. Now, a lot of tanks that come with the bigger bore here, as you'll see, they also come with an adapter ring, which looks like this, which is all great, and then you can put your 510 inside. However, if you lose that, then your 510 is not going to fit anymore. So all you're going to need today is you're going to need yourself a glue gun, your tank, and you need a mouthpiece, which is actually sort of a metal mouthpiece at the end. Alright? So to start off, take your mouthpiece, right? Squeeze some glue around the outside. Squeeze it on. Take your tank and plop that in there. Just make sure it's centered, and then just leave that to set. Okay, that should be enough. So what we got to do now, simply take this out. As you can see, it's formed into the shape of the inside of the tank. Take your mouthpiece out. It's always better if you put a little bit of e-juice on the inside anyway, if it hasn't got it, just to sort of help it stop it from sticking. Take your tank, pop this back in again, get your 510 drip tip, and that's it, you're done.